What's up, my people? How una day? So today I don't bring for you on how you can link your WhatsApp page with your WhatsApp. You will do business. You understand? You know, say some people they had them to come define your number. So as you link your WhatsApp with that page, once person click on that WhatsApp logo on front of your page, it will redirect the person to your WhatsApp directly. The person can message you directly. At least you can have the person's contact to save. You understand? For business, this for business strategy. Even if you're a comedian, whatever you are doing with your page, someone can want to reach you directly. Maybe someone can try to reach you when you're not online. You understand? When you're not online on Facebook, someone can try to reach you directly. You understand me? Sorry for the distraction. So you understand me? Someone can try to reach you directly. So that's how it is. It can give from the someone can call you through WhatsApp. Whatever thing you want to do with your Facebook, make sure you link it with your WhatsApp so that it will look more professional. So that's it. Or you look as you attend one. Just it's very simple. Follow up. Just try to follow up, listen attentively. Make sure say you dey follow the update as it dey go. Make you no miss one. Anyone where you no understand, make you comment down on the comment section. I'm here for you. I'm here to do it for you. Gradually, I go to show you as you go to use this Facebook for your business. So if you are interested, make you follow this page. You understand? Follow, then share our video also. Make you dey get to each and every one of us that want to do business on Facebook, that want to have a page on Facebook, and you don't know how to do it. This is the rightful place for you. You're getting updates on how you can go on that. Thank you very much. Please like and share my video. Okay. Thank you very much. This is how you support me by sharing my video. Thank you very much. I'll be dropping more. I'll be showing you on how you can do. Yes. Now so it be. Make I teach you on how you go fit link your WhatsApp. Yeah, because you know say that page wey we create now, wey we create before, if you dey follow up on the last video, na the page you wan go edit now. So as you wan take edit am, all this one na page full here. See as you wan take link am now. To link page, to link your page with your WhatsApp. You understand? If you come to your page now, you go see dashboard. You understand? See dashboard. Then you go to link page, link account. See link account. You click on link accounts. Then you see WhatsApp not connected. You click here, WhatsApp not connected. Then you see country code. You go to country code. Choose your country. Nigeria. This is how we do it. Let me search for Nigeria. Let me search for Nigeria. Nigeria, my country. This is click on Nigerian code number. Then I have to put my number. This is it. Then make sure your WhatsApp is on. You'll be getting code. Facebook is going to send you confirmation code. Once you open the code, then you are good to go. I'll be waiting for the code. I have not received the code. Facebook code. You wait for at least some seconds. I have received the code. This is the code. Okay, I made mistake on the code. You have to put the code correctly. You have to put the code correctly. 64513. Wow. I have to request for the code. Send the code again. I have sent the code again. 2, 3. This is it. Yes, it's linked. It's linked now. Now my Facebook and my WhatsApp is linked together. Look at it here. It's linked together. Someone can contact you through your page. Once someone click on the WhatsApp in front of your page, that means the person will reach you direct to your WhatsApp. That's it. It's not up to how many minutes. It's not up to 5 minutes. We are done. So it's very simple.